Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Tenda F3. It's a wireless N300 router, which means this is an 802.11 N router, and the 300 signifies the bandwidth of all the bands combined. In this case it could be single or dual. A few good things mentioned over here is that it has QoS, that's quality of service. So every single device that connects to this router can be assigned a certain quality metric that it has to follow. So if you want, let's say, your phone to have the best priority, then you can set the router to consider your phone to be at the top of the priority list, so your phone gets best connection speeds no matter how many other devices are connected to your network. Now we flip the box around and we have a little more information. So there's a little table that gives you different ideas of all the different model numbers that Tenda has for wireless routers, and then here's a little diagram indicating how you would actually set up your device, and little information about the ports on the back of the Tenda F3. So that's about it for the packaging. Let's go about unboxing the thing. Go. At the top you have a new general public license. So this is generally put in boxes which have some sort of open source software being in use. That would be mostly the firmware powering the Tenda F3. Under that you have the install guide, so you can figure out what kind of internet connections this particular router supports and how you can go about setting it up. Then you have power plug. This is the adapter, which is rated for 9 volts and 600 milliamperes. That's written on the bottom, and you can see that it uses an Indian plug that is 2-pin with an optional earthing plug. It is made out of plastic, so it's not actually using any connection, but it'll help you sort of keep this stable. That's the most you can get. At the end is a barrel connector, which is kind of normal. Then we have the router itself. We'll come to this in a while. Underneath that you have an Ethernet cable. This is about 2 feet, and we don't see any markings on the cable mentioning what kind of standard it happens to be. On the inside we can see that it has 4 pins already wired. So this is a 100 megabit cable, in case you were wondering. Coming back to the router, you can see it has a nice white finish. It's mostly simple, plain, and we can peel the film off the top. These are the 3 antennas, and if we extend them sideways, you can see that these are roughly about 15 centimeters long. And regarding the indicator LEDs on the front, we have one for system functioning, so that's basically power and proper functioning. Maybe it might be a multicolored LED for all we know. Wi-Fi, whether it's on or off. 3 LAN ports, 1 WAN port, plus it has the internet symbol. 1 T. Now I don't know exactly what this T means. And lastly you have the WPS, that's wireless protected setup icon indicator. On the back hand side you can see all the ports, power connector, WPS, reset switch, and the bottom is fairly simple as well. That's about it. That's about all the things that we saw in this particular unboxing of the Tenda F3 router.